Hi everybody, here's a quick video on our virus-proof computer. Here's a demo. Think of opening up any email. Here I'm in this is called Thunderbird Mail, which you could use basically for any of your POP or IMAP emails. But basically you can do it on your Gmail, what have you. But think of opening up any email, not having to worry about or think about getting nervous and all the like as far as opening up an email because you don't know what's on the other side. And lately I have been getting a bunch of what's called phishing attacks. So phishing email is an email that it's still doing just that. It's throwing you a some bait to see if you click and get hooked, pretty much. Lately I've been getting a lot of these that look like PayPal emails, and I just want to give you a little demo how you can just basically, you don't have to worry about it. You can actually click on it and not have anything to worry about. So starting from the top, which actually came in today, here's one. One of the ways to give these, that gives these away, sometimes depends how well they're crafted. Here, this one here, if you actually see this email account up here, paye.com, so you know it's not coming from PayPal, even though it says from PayPal here. So you want to look at this address here. That usually is a giveaway. This one, frankly, is just to fill out your information, so I'm pretty sure everybody is not dumb enough to do that. Here's another one. Someone similar, so I guess this is going around a different website. It might be the same people, but basically this one tells you your account is restricted, and to click here on this attachment and fill this out. It has all the information. You'd be surprised how many people do click on these things. And if you have a Windows computer, do not try this at home. So we're going to click on this attachment here. Remember, we are on a virus-proof computer. And what it asks you for, how to open it up or save file, let's just open it up with Firefox browser. And here we go. It takes you to a temporary file. So this is kind of interesting. This probably generates an email for them, probably submits an email to them. Definitely don't want to do this. In this process, I wouldn't be surprised if on a Windows machine this already installed some type of program that's going to grab this information, email it back to them. Here it wouldn't do it. Either way, I mean, I'm not going to put my information, but as far as anything that got installed in the computer, on this type of computer, none of those things could happen. Remember, I mean, this is not really magic. It's a matter of 99.9%, and I'm just using that as a figure, it could be higher than that, of all viruses are written for Windows computers. So it's very simple. If you're not using a Windows computer, you're immune to viruses. So it's not rocket science. It's pretty simple. There's other ways to get online without using Windows, and I recommend you find one of those if you don't want to use one of our virus-proof computers. I mean, one of them is to have a Mac, one of them is to use a Chromebook, tablets also. So out of all the different ways that you can get your email and go online, a Windows desktop computer, or laptop, but basically desktop operating system, is the only one that you're going to have problems with viruses. So that's why I keep telling people, just do not use Windows to go online. Use it for anything else. And then again, people ask me, what else would I do? Well, you know, if you're doing your QuickBooks, if you're syncing your iTunes, if you're editing a video, anything like that that's local, that's perfectly fine. It's when you get online and when you're going to go get your email, which is online, that's where all the stuff starts happening. So I don't want to bore you with that. Let's go a couple more. We tried two. Going down this line, here's another one. I am on their hit list. They are phishing heavy duty on me. Here's a link. Same thing, PayPal. There's a case a buyer filed against you. Imagine that. Accounts limited, and somebody filed a case against me. So, you know, this is something that if you're really not paying attention, you'll click on it. Let's respond within 72 hours. Click on this link and see what we get. And we're going to go to who knows where we're going to go. But basically, you can see, even though this looks pretty good, I mean, you can see the web address up here. So this is not well crafted either. You can see that that's a bogus web address. Whatever you put in here, you're emailing them your information. Definitely do not want to do that. Let's go back. Let's see if we find another one. Keep going regarding account number. Look at this. I mean, they're just by the dozen. This is basically all the same stuff. These are all the same ones here. All different websites. And probably because I got to keep jumping around. And that may or may not open. Here's another one. Let's click on that. And this is a real one. If you can see the real one up here, see the actual address there. So, well, we hit quite a few. That gives you an idea of what a phishing email looks like, and shows you here that basically on this computer, no problem, you can click, and even if you're just curious of what happens. If you get yourself a virus-proof computer, no problem. Click, enjoy the web like you should, frankly. And you can go to virusproofcomputers.com, get some more information, or stop by your local PC 911. Thanks for watching.